How to add crypto payment to Shopify. This is a step-by-step video, so you will have no trouble following. Now basically once inside Shopify, all you have to do is to navigate through your store right here. Once inside, you then want to navigate through the settings button right below your screen. From here, you can then go ahead and see all of your settings for your account, but basically all you have to click is the payments method. Once inside payments, you can then go ahead and see the payment settings. From here, you want to click on the add payment method. Go ahead and click on the search by payment method and you want to search for Bitcoin. From here, you can choose between Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Wrap Bitcoin, and more. In my case, I'll just go ahead and choose the plain old Bitcoin. And once inside, you can go ahead and choose between these options right here. Now, this can change depending on your country and what they support. In my case, I have the Coinbase Commerce, I have the Crypto.com Pay, OpenNode, and BitPay. You can just go ahead and select one of these payment methods and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.